Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Supreme. I did a collaboration with the Pelican 3310PL flashlight. This is a polycarbonate flashlight. Runs up to 202 hours on low setting. Submersible up to 1 meter. 6.14 inch. Made exclusive for Supreme. I copped the red one, and then the other one was like a glow in the dark, and it was dropped on May 23rd, 2019, week number 13. Well, let me give you guys the price that I pay real quick. It is retail for $48 plus $10 shipping and handling charge. The tax on this is $4.20. So the total amount is $62.20. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. I'm not sure why it come with this big box. I thought the flashlight was kind of small. So you got the tissue paper in here, so it won't move around inside the box. So I got this nice shopping bag. Oh man, so it is factory seal, so I don't think I'm gonna open this. This is for resale, so So as you can see, 3310 flashlight, high, low, and then flashing mode. So it has 3 modes, and then compact. It uses 3 AA batteries. Security linear included. So it has 378 looms, and runtime is 202 hours based on the low setting. And it comes with 3 dual cells, AA alkaline battery included and installed. And then this is made by Pelican. So as you can see, that's a Supreme. So I'm not sure if the light bulb is LED. Go ahead and check out the back. So I got the lanyard right there, and there's like a belt clip. And then your on and off buttons right there. So on the back here, there's like a lock and unlock symbol right there. I'm pretty sure that is to remove the battery. And as you can see the Pelican on the back which is below the belt clip. And then on the right hand side it says 3310. Let me see if I try to zoom in so you guys can see it better. And as you can see, 3310 is right there. Okay. I'm not sure what this black thing is for. Probably attached for the lanyard. There's your on and off button right there. It seems like right here is for the wrist strap or lanyard, but I'm not sure what this black button is for then. See if I can zoom in. So it says light output 378 looms on high setting. Low setting is 39 looms. So on the high setting, it could run times about 8 hours. If it's on low setting, it's 202 hours. And then the beam distance is 196 meter or 62 meters on low setting. And there is a peak beam intensity 9,580 CD, or on low setting is 961 CD. And then submersible, it is rated IPX8, which is for 1 meter only. Pelican limited lifetime guarantee of excellence. Refer to www.pelican.com/warranty for full detail. So it is manufactured from Torrance, California. There's your telephone number and fax number, and then the part number for this product. And it is made in China. So yeah, this is a quite expensive flashlight, but I don't know, it's kind of heavy. Submersible, so I don't think it's even I don't know if it's gonna be floating. Probably not. I mean, there's a white arrow. Come with this sticker pack. Which is good. Got 3 of the stickers instead of 1 box logo. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.